Unlocking Passive Income 2025's best ideas. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top passive income ideas that are actually working in 2025. Because let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial freedom, or just want some extra cash flow, passive income is the name of the game. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I've heard it all before. Most of these passive income things are scams, and you know what? You're not entirely wrong. There's a lot of noise out there, a lot of get-rich-quick schemes that just don't deliver. That's why today we're cutting through the BS and focusing on strategies that are tried, true, and most importantly, working right now in 2025. We're talking about real estate, dividends, online businesses, the strategies that have stood the test of time, but with a 2025 twist. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and start building wealth on autopilot, buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. Real estate crowdfunding? Your piece of the property pie? All right, let's kick things off with a classic passive income stream, real estate. But hold on, I'm not talking about going out and buying rental properties the old-fashioned way. We're living in the future, people. 2025 is all about real estate crowdfunding, so think about it. Traditionally, getting into real estate required tons of capital, dealing with tenants, late-night plumbing emergencies, you name it. But with crowdfunding platforms, you can invest in large-scale real estate projects with as little as a few $100s. It's like owning a tiny piece of a skyscraper, a shopping mall, or even a whole apartment complex. And the best part? You get to skip all the landlord headaches. Property management is handled for you, and you receive regular distributions of rental income, all from the comfort of your own home. It's like having your own personal real estate empire without lifting a finger, but it gets even better. Remember how volatile the stock market can be? Real estate tends to be a much more stable asset class, making it a great way to diversify your portfolio and weather those economic storms. Plus, you're investing in something tangible, something you can actually see and touch. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. Is this stuff really legit? And the answer is absolutely. There are tons of reputable real estate crowdfunding platforms out there, but as with any investment, you need to do your research. Look for platforms with a proven track record, transparent fees, and a diverse portfolio of properties. And don't forget to diversify your own investments across different platforms and property types. Remember, never put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to your financial future. Dividend investing, the gift that keeps on giving. Next up, let's talk about another one of my favorite passive income strategies. Dividend investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, dividends, isn't that like a boomer thing? And while it's true that dividend investing has been around for ages, it's definitely not just for retirees anymore. In fact, in 2025, dividend investing is cooler than ever, thanks to the rise of fractional shares and online brokerage accounts. Here's the deal. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that pays you a portion of its profits on a regular basis. It's like getting paid to own a slice of your favorite businesses. And the best part, dividends are like the gift that keeps on giving. You see, when you reinvest those dividends back into the market, you benefit from the magic of compound growth. Over time, those dividends can snowball into a significant source of passive income. But here's the 2025 twist with fractional shares. You no longer need thousands of dollars to get started. You can buy just a fraction of a share in companies like Apple, Tesla, or even Berkshire Hathaway, allowing you to build a diversified dividend portfolio on a budget. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. You want to look for companies with a strong history of dividend growth and a sustainable payout ratio. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is full of delicious dividend-paying stocks. All right, let's move on to a passive income stream that's perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Print on demand. This business model has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-risk, high-reward way to turn your designs into cold, hard cash. Here's how it works. Instead of holding inventory, you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Then you partner with a print-on-demand company that handles everything else. The printing, shipping, customer service, the whole 9 yards. You simply upload your designs to their platform, and every time someone makes a purchase, they print and ship the product directly to the customer. You get to focus on what you do best, designing awesome stuff. While they handle the logistics, and the best part, you earn a commission on every sale, even while you sleep. It's like having your own personal army of printing presses working tirelessly to generate passive income for you. But here's the 2025 twist. With the rise of social media marketing and influencer culture, it's easier than ever to get your designs in front of your target audience. You can collaborate with influencers, run targeted ad campaigns, and even sell your products directly through platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're an artist, a graphic designer, or just someone with a knack for creating catchy slogans, print on demand is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and build a sustainable passive income stream. Now, let's talk about a passive income stream that's a little outside the box: peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This innovative model cuts out the traditional banking middleman and allows you to lend money directly to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Think of it like being the bank, but with potentially higher returns. You get to choose which loans you want to invest in based on the borrower's creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rate. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper have made it easier than ever to get started with P2P lending. They handle all the loan servicing, payment processing, and even collection efforts, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. But here's the 2025 twist. With the rise of alternative credit scoring models and big data, P2P lending platforms are becoming even better at assessing risk and matching borrowers with lenders. This means potentially lower default rates and higher returns for investors like you. Of course, like any investment, P2P lending comes with its own set of risks. It's important to do your research, diversify your investments across multiple loans and borrowers, and only invest money you can afford to lose. But if you're looking for a hands-off way to potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds, P2P lending is definitely worth considering. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so lend wisely. Finally, let's talk about the holy grail of passive income automated online businesses. These are businesses that generate revenue 24/7, even while you're sleeping, traveling, or sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere. The beauty of online businesses is that they can be scaled to the moon and back. Once you've set up the systems and processes, your business can run on autopilot, generating passive income for years to come. But here's the catch: building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to be willing to put in the work up front to build a solid foundation, create valuable content, and market your business effectively. But here's the 2025 twist. With the rise of no-code tools and automation software, it's easier than ever to create and launch an online business without needing to be a tech wizard. You can create e-commerce stores, online courses, membership sites, and more, all without writing a single line of code. And with the power of social media and digital marketing, you can reach a global audience and scale your business faster than ever before. But let's not sugarcoat it. Building an automated online business is not without its challenges. You'll need to be persistent, adaptable, and always willing to learn and grow. But the rewards can be life-changing. Imagine waking up every morning to a flood of notifications telling you that you've made money while you were sleeping. That's the power of automated online businesses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited about. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about creating a more secure and abundant financial future for yourself. So start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere watching the passive income roll in. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and keep crushing it.